Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can be offline on your WhatsApp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to remain offline on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings option. Press on the privacy option and then on last seen and online option. Here you can choose who can see your last seen or when you are online. Now to be offline on WhatsApp, click on nobody and same as last seen option. This is how you can remain offline on WhatsApp quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.